Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to NIV's Home School. And this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an English language class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 1, Exercise 1 and 2, CW. Okay, let's see our today's class. Class 3. Subject English language, topic chapter 1, exercise 1 and 2, CW, lecture 2, SW1, teacher Ariful Islam, this is my messenger ID, mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, open your English language book, New Enjoying Grammar and Composition. This is a book, and go to chapter 1. We'll discuss today kinds of noun, and I will do today exercise 1 and 2. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So topic noun and exercise 1 and 2. Harvell exam lecture 2. So the question is, what is a noun? A noun is a word which denotes the name of a person. A noun can be a person, a thing, a place, quality, condition, etc. For example, Dhaka is a big city. So here Dhaka is a place, Dhaka is a noun, city is a place, city is a noun. Okay, so a noun is a word which denotes the name of a person, thing, place, quality, condition, etc. So a noun can be a name of person, Salam, Rohim, Selim, etc. A noun can be a name of thing, book, pen, cloth, chair, table, etc. Name of animal, cow, tiger, monkey, frog, etc. Name of a place, Dhaka, Dinajpur, Kumilla, Chittagong, etc. The present name of Chittagong is Chattogram. Okay, present name is Chattogram. Name of work, walking, reading, swimming, playing. Name of quality, honesty, wisdom, kindness, beauty, etc. Name of collections, it can be committee, class, club, etc. So let's go to classification of noun. Nouns are mainly two types, concrete noun and abstract noun. Let me clear one thing. So let's go first, concrete noun. A concrete noun is a naming word which can be touched, heard, smelled or tasted. Okay, let me describe one thing. Concrete noun is visible. So you can touch, you can see, you can hear, you can taste. Concrete noun is visible, you can see. An abstract noun is invisible. We cannot see this. So concrete noun we can see, but abstract noun we cannot see. Okay, so concrete noun is of 4 types. How many types? 4 types. And they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material noun. So the most important thing, all these 4 nouns you can see, you can touch, you can hear, you can smell, you can taste. Okay, concrete noun. So let us go to proper noun. What is a proper noun? The noun that refers to the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing, etc. is called a proper noun. For example, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. The Dhaka is a proper noun. Bangladesh is a proper noun. So proper noun is the name of a particular person, a specific person, a specific animal, place or thing. This is called proper noun. Note 1, the first letter of a proper noun begins with a capital letter. For example, the Meghna, M is capital. Meghna is a big river. Note 2, the is used before names of river, sea, gulf, ocean, mountain, ranges, groups of island, ship, etc. Examples, the Andamans, the Himalayas, the Pacific. Note 3, the is used before names of holy books and newspapers. The Holy Quran, the Observer. This is also proper noun, the specific name. Note 4, the is used before singular nouns referring to things of which only one exists, such as the earth, So proper noun is also used which exists only one thing in the world. On earth, only one earth, one sun, one moon, one east, one west, one north, one south. So in this case, you can in this name earth, sun, moon, east, west, north, south, you can start the word with a capital letter. You do not need to start this word with a capital letter. You can start the words with this small letter. Okay, in this case, capital letter is not necessary at the beginning of the lessons, beginning of the word. So the sun is though small, but this is proper noun. There's only one sun. The moon, only one. The earth, only one. The pole stars, only one. So next move to common noun. A common noun is the name given to all things and persons. For example, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Capital is the common noun. A common noun is a name given to all things and persons. So common noun is not only one, it's the name of all names, common name. Let me clear. Proper noun, common noun. So Fahim, Mukarram, Tahir is the proper noun, a specific name. But if I say boy, is a common of all the boys, all the names. It's called boy. Farshina, Konika, Oritri, these are the proper noun, a specific name. And if I say girl, is the common noun, common name, or the specific name and the common name. Rose, lily, tulip are the specific flower names. But if I say flower, is the common noun, it's common name. Makkah, Dhaka, London are the specific city. And if I say city, is the common noun, the common of all cities. Rabindranath, Nazrul, Joshimuddin are the name of specific poets. If I say poet, is a common noun. Lungi, shari, shirt are a proper noun. If I say dress, this is a common noun. So the next one is collective noun. So a collective noun is the name of a group or similar things or persons taken as a whole. Collective nouns are names we give to a group of people. Collective nouns always will be in a group of people, not only one people, not common name. Group of people, animals or things of the same kind. Sometimes we use the same collective noun for more than one thing or animals. So this is common noun, the collective noun. If I say sheep, sheep is a common noun. And if I say flock of sheep, a flock means collective. Player, common noun. If I say team means a lot of people, more than one. Key, the common noun. If I say bunch of keys, bunch is a collective noun. If I say robbers, it's a common noun. It's a gang of robbers, a lot of robbers. So material noun, the material noun is not given in your chapters. Let me read very quickly. A material noun names a thing or substance that has weight but cannot be counted. Some things we don't weight everything. Some things we only weight, something only we count. So the things we only weight, measure, this is called the material noun. You can see iron is a material noun, sickle, hammer is a common noun, wood, material noun, bench, door, cupboard, common noun, milk, we cannot count, milk, mutton, beef, water, we measure, weight, kg, liter, okay? So milk, ghee, butter, cheese, common noun, mutton, material noun, sheep, common noun, beef, material noun, and cow is common noun, the water, material noun, river, common noun. So this is a book, kinds of nouns I have discussed already. A common noun is the name of a person, an animal or place of things, a boy, dog, house, pencil. And a proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal's place or thing. It begins with a capital letter. Opugar, the Union Bank of India, the Daily News, Donald Duck, all the proper nouns. So we will do now exercise 1. So I have done exercise 1 for you. For the next page, write 5 proper nouns for these common nouns. Number 1, area in your city, town, village. Bandra is given in a book. So we can write Lalbagh, Rampura, Mirpur, Uttara, all are proper nouns. Cities, Dhaka, Khulna, Rangpur, Borishal, B-A-R-I, I is missing here, B-A-R-I-S-S-L, Rajshahi, S-R-A-J-S-H-A-S-I, Rajshahi. State, Maharashtra. State is in the country India. India has 28 states. States means in the country India has 28 like Bangladesh. This is called states. Country. Okay. So state Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, Goa, Florida. Countries Bangladesh, India, Nepal, China, and Japan. Number 5, continents, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America. Number 6, oceans, Pacific Oceans, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, North Ocean, South Ocean. Rivers, Padma, Jamuna, sorry, this is Padma, Jamuna, Meghna, Shurma, Tista. Planets, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So exercise 2, we'll do now exercise 2. Pick up the nouns and write them in each the correct column. So long ago on the island of Crete. So island is a noun and Crete is a noun. In the country of Greece, country is a noun, Greece is a noun. There lived a man. His name was Daedalus. Daedalus. Okay. So we will write now. So island is a common noun. We will write now here island. Island is a common noun. Which island we don't know. That's why it's a common noun. Crete is a proper noun. The Crete. So Crete is a proper noun. An island, common noun. In the country of Greece, country, which country? We don't know. So country is a common noun. And Greece, Greece is a proper noun. G-R-E-C-E. Greece is a proper noun. There lived a man. Man is a common noun. His name was Daedalus. So here Daedalus is a proper noun. D-A-E-D-A-L-E-U-S. Daedalus is a proper noun. And man and named is a common noun. So Daedalus, I have written proper noun. Love to watch the birds fly. So here birds is a common noun. Which birds? We don't know. Birds. Next, he was the way they use their wings. Say wings also is a common noun. He saw how their feathers lay one upon another in their wings. We have written wings, so feathers is a common noun. F-E-A-T-S-E-R-S. Daedalus, we have written proper noun, made his own wings. Wings we have written. Every day he put them on and practiced flying. Then one day he was able to fly. Daedalus, proper noun we have written, had a son named Icarus. So son is a common noun. Son is a common noun. And Icarus, the name Icarus is a proper noun. Icarus is a proper noun. Again Icarus was his father. Father is a common noun. Father practiced flying. He wanted to fly too. Okay, so this is our exercise 2. So my dear students, your SW1 will be lesson 1 exercise 4, submit 1 Saturday. Submit 1 Saturday. So my dear students, your SW will be this one, exercise 4. Tick the correct collective nouns into the complete sentences. This one will be your SW1. Let me read very quickly. Tick the collective nouns to complete these sentences. You will pick up the sentences and you will give a tick mark in the correct answer. The troop or pack of soldiers look smart in their uniforms. Number 2, Misty had a broad litter of 5 puppies last night. A herd swarm of cows was grazing in the field. Next page. A buns or school of fish nipped at the slice of bread. We threw in the water. Number 5, oh dear, I have lost my buns or bundle of keys. Number 6, bring me a pack of cards. I'll show you some tricks with them. My dear students, so there is one correction. I want to make one correction. In this case, here will be not chapter, here will be lesson. Lesson 1, exercise 1 to CW. So, my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. Parents or anyone else can come to your school for collecting and submitting the SW copies. So that's all for today, my dear students. Thank you for watching this class. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.